I'm Jim from Vortech Ventilation. Today we're looking at one of the most underappreciated but one of the more important products that you have in your home. That's the HRV. In this particular house, this is a rental property. It has been for a while, so a lot of the little things hadn't been done. But I'm going to take today, because we're going to be cleaning and servicing this HRV to get everything ready, because the gentleman is planning on selling the home. So the first thing that we want to do is always disconnect the power so that, first of all, the fan's not running while your fingers are inside. Here, it slides down, and then the hinges pop to the side, the door comes right. On the inside of one of these, there's a cube. The air is coming through from the outside, through filter media, and then into the home. And then comes back from the house, through the filter media, and through the cube again, and back outside. The reason it does this is it's transferring some of the heat from the inside of the house to the air coming in from the outside, and it's also taking the condensation from the inside of the house and dropping it down this tube. Now, this tube is very dirty. We're just going to replace it. In this particular case, these filters are filthy. They are absolutely done. It's possible to clean these, but we're just going to replace it with new filter media. Both are out. And then the cube just releases and slides out. Now this is exceptionally dirty. The way the HRV works is in every room there's a diffuser like this that connects back to the unit, and it helps modulate the air coming in and out of the building. Now, in the old days, the buildings weren't built very well, and they leaked air. And they had a lot of things that would go through basically the walls. But now that we've moved into a situation where we have insulation in the wall, proper insulation in the walls, we have house wrap, we have vapor barriers, everything like that, the house itself doesn't breathe anymore. But you still have to circulate the air in and out of the house, and that's where the HRV comes in. And that's why I say that it is probably the most underappreciated but most important appliance that you have in your home. Once the air exchange cube has been cleaned out, you can actually see by looking through. See, it's clear, and then on the other side you can go see the light coming through it. It's all nice and clean.
With these type of machines are the molded styrofoam is not treated with anything, so they don't come super clean, but we'll be able to disinfect it and clean it up so it's back to its normal state. That's the problem with having a vacuum on wheels.
Yeah. Now, when I opened the door on this one, it kept running.
Yeah.
So the door switch wasn't working.
You don't have door switch on these.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Coming off some. See how it stains? You just don't get the stains out of it ever. Yeah. But the fortunate thing is, soaks into the styrofoam and keeps working its way through. These are tricky because you gotta line up onto each four of them.
Yeah.
Did I get it? I did it. Yeah, I did it. Alright, so just gonna spray it down again. This is some of our Speedy Clean that we use on our heat pumps. And it works rather good for degreasing and cleaning plastics. It's very gentle on. And it's not too bad. It's pretty safe to breathe compared to spraying on and things. Alright.
So here.
Filters. Filters sort of just laying in here, believe it or not. They just shove down inside this edge. And air keeps them against it once the door is closed. Oops, that's how dirty the top is on this. They must have had the dryer going in to the space for a long time. Okay, so door. Just gonna give it one more spray. Okay. Yeah, I'd say it's been a good few years that this hasn't been cleaned.
Yeah.
All in all, they're pretty decent machines.
Up on, yeah, there you go.
And pretty reliable. Like I say, it's just basically the same as a direct air or Vortech.
Watch the cord.
Okay, there we go. They painted in here too.
Yeah. Okay, so the very first issue here was the fact that the fresh air intake was completely compromised. All of the screen that keeps the critters out was completely, it was almost like concrete from all of the, there's a little bit of lint, there's a little bit of pollen, there's lawn clippings, there's everything that you can imagine in there. Now we're going to be replacing this completely because these are getting old and they look like hell. Now here on the outside of the house, this is the exhaust for the HRV. It is going to be replaced again because it's worn out. The vinyl is starting to go on the plastic vinyl and it just looks like crap, so it'll be nice and clean. The dryer output right here is going to be replaced as well. The critter guard that goes across the end is missing, so when we replace the dryer lines, this will have a brand new. Okay, so there were drywall screws holding this to the pipe.
So, well, I'll need a measurement on it.
Got her? Yep. Okay, just a second here. Done. Now, in this particular home, this is a brand new range hood. It's been installed, it's vented to the outside, everything's in good shape there. We don't have to do anything else. But we do these. We sell them, we install them, and on occasion we service them, but for the most part, if there's a part that goes in one of these, it's probably more cost effective just to replace the unit than it is to try to get a new fan motor and all the things that go along with it.